Hey guys, happy Saturday. So I have not dried or brushed my hair yet. I just got out of the shower, but it is, oh my goodness, it's like 1 o'clock and I have not eaten today. So I just want to share with you what I'm eating. I did, however, have a Celsius drink earlier, but let me show you the deliciousness that I have right here. So I've created basically a Southwest bowl, like a Chipotle bowl. Has lettuce, corn, beans, tomatoes. I did put some carrots and celery in there and onion. And it's just absolutely fresh and delicious. A friend of mine had given me 2 heads of butter lettuce. So I got 2 bags of these. So I'm trying to use these up. But I'm going to eat this right now. And if I'm still hungry, I might make me some like potatoes. Maybe some sweet potato fries or something. And I'm going to put some of this salsa on it as well. What kind of dressing would you make and put on here? Because I don't want to eat any fat like avocado yet, because I'm still trying to lose quite a bit of weight. So I'm staying away from the fat. But tell me what you would dress this with. Right now I've just been doing it with the restaurant style, and I do put a little bit of sriracha on it too. I think I'm going to hold off on the sriracha today. I put it on there last night and ooh, it was spicy. And I like spicy, but my lips were on fire when I was done. So anyways, this is how I'm going to eat today's meal. Comment down below what you would put on top. All right, that was a beautiful fall walk. Let's see what we got. All right, I did 35 minutes, 1.5 miles. Of course, my average pace. Active calories 132, total calories 204. My average heart rate was 111. But check that out. It was 73 beautiful degrees. Yeah, it had been a while since I have gone out and actually taken a walk outside. It's absolutely gorgeous here in North Carolina. It is officially fall. The leaves have turned. They are starting to fall. We have such a beautiful season here in the fall just because I think it lasts much longer than other areas. I know when we went home to Maryland, they actually had no more leaves left. So their fall was pretty much done. They're headed into their winter months, but we haven't quite got there yet. Yeah, we have such a beautiful neighborhood to walk around. We went around my block, and then we have a beautiful commons area as well. We actually live on the water, in a water community. We don't live on the water personally, our house is not, but we have access to fishing and things like that. It's a beautiful little reservoir, man-made. It's actually our city water that it pumps from. But yeah, I'm hungry though. I had that salad earlier. And now I'm gonna go ahead and make my famous sweet potato fries. If you guys have not seen that in my other video, I'll show you exactly what I do. So I decided to go ahead and make some broccoli as well. And when I make broccoli in my Instant Pot, I just go ahead and fill it up and cook a whole bunch because it just never hurts to have some of that on hand in the fridge ready to go and grab. But I'm gonna drink this whole bottle of water before I eat because I have not done well with my water consumption today. And I've gotta get better. I don't know, if any of you struggle with that, I know I do. I go through phases though. If it's really, really hot, I can tend to drink a little bit more, but I don't know. When it's cool like this, I don't get enough water in. All right, time to take a look. Hopefully I don't fog up the camera, but they are tender, ready, and delicious. Yes, they're perfect. Broccoli is almost done. I'm gonna put my favorite. You guys know I showed you before, the rib rack, super delicious. So my broccoli is done, and just so you know, I release it as a quick release and set it for 0 minutes because that is like the perfect texture. Still not mushy and got a little crunch to it. That's what it looks like. All right, there we go. No broccoli is complete without nutritional yeast on it. Good morning, guys. Whew, it's the next day and I am starving. That's all I ate yesterday, and it was not enough food, for sure. I've got to do better and stop and eat more. Let me show you what I'm having for breakfast, though. So I used my griddler, and I made some hash browns, and I made some peppers, onions, and mushrooms, and I'm gonna put that on top, and it's gonna be fantabulous. I am also having an orange Celsius. I was gonna have coffee and I was like, no, I'm not gonna have some coffee today. I'm just gonna have one of the Celsiuses. But anywho, oh my goodness, yesterday was 80. Today it's like 60. It's cold. Not cold. I know some of y'all are going to laugh depending on where you live, but it's cold here. 60's cold. And then yeah, I'm gonna try to get out and get a walk again today because on the weekends I can do that better, you know. So anyways, look how good this looks. Seriously, this is like the most filling breakfast, and I can't do it on the weekend because I don't have time in the morning to cook all this unless I get up earlier, of course. But anyways, this is like a treat for me on the weekends or when I'm not working. Otherwise, I usually just stick with my oatmeal. So, but I'm gonna dig in. I'm gonna make a salad dressing for a salad that I want to have later, sharing the recipe with you. It's an Italian flavor, but this is a really cool recipe because you can totally change up the flavor, and I'll explain here in just a minute. But what you're gonna need is start with 1 can of white bean, drained and rinsed. And then it's gonna be a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of liquid aminos or any salt like tamari. You could use coconut aminos as well. That's really good in this. And basically you just blend it all together. But what's really cool is you can change the flavor by changing like the seasoning to like dill. I've used dill in here as well, and it's really, really delicious. So anyways, I'm gonna mix this up and show you what it looks like. Give it a try. You gotta give that recipe a try. Great salad dressing. Put it on anything. I'm gonna try it on salad. You can dip carrots in it. I mean, it's pretty good, pretty darn good. So I made this last week. This is a, what do you call it, eggplant lasagna, I guess. Anyways, it is 0 starch in it. It's straight, all vegetables. And I'm trying to bulk up on my eating more vegetables, so I'm gonna eat probably half of this for lunch right now. So, but it's really good if you have rice on the side. That rice will absorb some of that liquid, and it's really flavorful. Here's my gorgeous salad. You guys know I have a lot of lettuce because a friend of mine gave me 2 heads of lettuce, but it's got carrot, onion, celery, snap peas, a part of a red pepper, tomatoes, and I'm gonna put some nutritional yeast on top as well. Some nutritional yeast because I love the flavor. And then my sauce that I made earlier, put that over. It's a white bean sauce. Yum. I'm also having some fries on the side. I'll just put some ketchup on those. Dinner is served.